Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In today's video we'll be discovering how you could buy the famous meme token that's called Dogecoin on the Pancakeswap. So first of all, as you can see, I have my metamask right here. I have about $13 in my metamask. Let me cancel this swap. 0.003 BNB. So if you don't know how to use metamask wallet or something, you can search for our other videos on the channel. It's going to be very simple. If you have Binance, if you have anything, you can go ahead and buy BNB using your credit card, and after that transferring that BNB to your metamask wallet. But before that, you must make sure to create a Binance Smart Chain network, which will be also available in our channel. All of the links you'll find probably on the description or on the channel if you search on. So basically, as you can see, I have 0.03 BNB, and we are going to go to pancakeswap.finance. You're gonna find the link also in the description or down below. Just type Pancakeswap. It will be the first thing to pop up. As you can see, let me close this web page. So after doing that, let me first of all disconnect my wallet. You're gonna hit connect wallet. So if you're using something else other than metamask, it's going to be very simple. Binance wallet or Coinbase wallet, it's going to be very simple, very straightforward. Just click it, and if you have it here, it's going to work. If it doesn't work, make sure you unlock your wallet. But yeah, as I said, that's it. All you have to do right now is go ahead to trade, swap, and now I'm going to type the token that I have, which is BNB. You can have also BUSD if you want. It's supported also, but yeah, right now we're using BNB, and I'm going to swap it for what we said, which is the babydoge coin. So first of all, I'm going to head to CoinMarketCap. So after heading to CoinMarketCap, I'm gonna search babydoge coin. Simply, as you can see, I'm just using CoinMarketCap as a reference because it's one of the most trusted coin viewers out there. So I'm gonna copy the address, and then I'm gonna paste the address right here. Oh, sorry, this is the so we are gonna copy the BNB smart chain address, not the Ethereum one. So after that, I'm going to paste it right here, and as you can see, here's the babydoge imported via CoinMarketCap. I'm going to import it. I'm gonna click understand, import the token. And yeah, as you can see, it's going to be simple as clicking the max right here or the amount you want to do, and click on swap, and the transaction will go forward and the token will swap. But yeah, with that said, that's what we think about all of this in the comment section. I would love to hear all of your ideas, all of your opinions, and peace.